Ministri zadolženi za evropske zadeve so izhodišča za nadaljevanje pogajanj sprejeli hitro in soglasno. Velika Britanija je sicer izrazila željo, da bi prehodno obdobje, ki se začne konec marca prihodnje leto, trajalo 2 leti, a bo to po odločitvi Evropske unije nekoliko krajše.
The transition will last for 21 months until the 31st of December 2020. During this limited period of time, the whole EU acquis will continue to apply to the UK, as well as the full EU supervision and enforcement framework under the jurisdiction of the European Court of Justice. This will include new EU rules entering into force during this period.
V tem prehodnem obdobju bo Velika Britanija morala spoštovati vse obstoječe mednarodne zaveze, ki izhajajo iz sporazumov Evropske unije in tretjih držav, ne bo pa deležna vseh koristi in prednosti, ki jih ti prinašajo.
As part of the transition, the UK will remain bound by the obligations stemming from all existing EU international agreements, for instance for trade and aviation. This is crucial for the good functioning of the single market and the customs union. And we can agree on this in the Article 50 agreement between the EU and the UK. But we cannot ensure in Article 50 that UK keeps the benefits for these international agreements.
V Londonu se tudi zavedajo, da se bodo morali o nekaterih mednarodnih sporazumih ponovno pogajati.
In the case of the big ones, South Korea being one of them, we would normally expect them to want to do a degree of renegotiation, both in terms of our own market access, but in terms also of access to them. And that's what we're set up to do.
Evropska unija v pogajanja stopa enotna in odločena, medtem ko v Veliki Britaniji vse glasneje govorijo o možnosti ponovitve referenduma. Da Brexit ne prinaša nujno samo koristi, o katerih govorijo najglasnejši zagovorniki izstopa iz Unije, je pred dnevi v Davosu omenil tudi nekdanji britanski premier Tony Blair.
Britain will lose influence in Europe, obviously, and I think in the world as a result. But Europe will be weaker too. Britain's a powerful player. It's one of the biggest economies in Europe. It's got a lot of political weight in the world. You know, my own view remains that it's sensible for Britain to be part of Europe, to be a strong sovereign nation within Europe.
Evropska unija in Velika Britanija morata sicer še zaključiti pogajanja o pravicah državljanov, finančni poravnavi in meji na Irskem otoku.